Managing enterprise mobile devices used to mean constant firefighting, security breaches, compliance headaches, endless manual processes. Ahern and Soper Incorporated and 42 Gears have changed the game. Meet Sure MDM, Sure IDP, and comprehensive mobile device management designed for the modern enterprise. Deploy apps to thousands of devices instantly. Enforce security policies automatically. Provision new devices with zero touch. Monitor compliance in real time. The results? 89% faster deployments, 67% cost reduction, and peace of mind for IT leaders worldwide. Ready to transform your enterprise mobility? Partner with Ahern and Soper and 42 Gears today.